What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be on like the latest trend, fidget spinners. We're going to see how fast we can actually get one of these to spin. We're going to do it. We're going to take the caps off so the middle bearing is exposed, and then we're going to put a bolt through it like this. Put the bolt through, put a nut on both sides, and then we're going to put one end in the vise. And we're going to take my air compressor and blow it and hopefully get some slow motion shots and see how fast we can really get it to spin. Alright, so now that the air compressor is filled up, let's get to the actual fidget spinner and see how fast we can get it to spin. Alright, so we have the fidget spinner installed, we got the bolt through it, and we got it mounted in the vise. So now that's all that's left to do is add some air and see how fast we can get it to spin. Alright, let's add some air, see what we can do. Well, we went so fast we blew the middle bearing out. So obviously it was pretty fast. I guess I'm gonna have to go find that somewhere.